Hello students, myself T.B. Chitra, working as assistant professor in Computer Science and Engineering, Arunachala College of Engineering for Women. Going to discuss a subject named Software Project Management. Under Software Project Management, Unit 1, the title of Unit 1 is Project Evaluation and Project Planning. The first topic under Unit 1 is Importance of Software Project Management. Under that, we need to see what is a project. A project is nothing but a planned activity which consists of some defined requirements or defined goals which are set by the stakeholders who are involved in the project. Stakeholders are the people who develops the project, who are interested to sell the product, to manufacture the product, as well as the client or the customer who demands for the project. This whole team sit together and they define some goals. Based on that goals, the team members has to work for, keeping in mind the various parameters such as cost, schedule and quality as framed by the client community. So in short, we can say a project is a specific plan or design. A project is a planned undertaking. A project is a large undertaking by a team of members who are fully interested in developing the project as a very successful one. Now let us see what is Software Project Management or SPM refers to. Software Project Management is a discipline of defining the requirements, and it tells the guidelines or it gives the guidelines of achieving the goals or targets while optimizing the use of various resources. The various resources include time, money, people, materials, energy, space, etc. over the course of a project. The main objective of SPM is to produce 100% satisfactory to the client. So the people, the developer team, their full intention is to produce 100% satisfactory product, but this is possible when you employ SPM techniques. Normally, when the client gets 100% satisfactory, they get satisfied when they found some 4 qualities on the product, which are: if the developed product is satisfy all the mentioned functionality, if the developed product is found to be of high quality, and if it is developed within the budget, and if it is delivered on time, then any client gets satisfied, which is the objective of even a development team. If the project, if it is to be a lot of team members have to be involved in a project now, that project definitely must be a very large as well as a complex one. Now see what's the difference between a normal software project versus other projects such as hardware projects. There are 4 terms by which the software projects differ from other projects. The first is invisibility. The development of the software cannot be viewable by the development team as well as by the client team. If it is a hardware project, the development is clearly visible to all the team members who are involved in it. The second feature they differ is about the complexity. The complexity, normally comparable to the hardware project, software projects will be highly complex with lot of codings and with lot of complicated techniques. The third one is conformity. The software project, definitely it must conform to the requirements set as defined by the customer, which are included in a document called Software Requirements Specification Document. And software projects, comparable to the other projects, it's highly flexible, so that the management becomes easy. Can easily add or delete any features to the project if it is a software project, whereas hardware project definitely leads to high expensive whenever you add or delete some features from it. Thank you.